Okay, so recently I just purchased this new toy here. This is actually a 3D printing pen. So I'm just gonna demo how to use it. So I'm just gonna start to turning it on first. So it starts blinking. And then put it on abs and then press this again to start heating up. Anyway, just to introduce this one to you. This is actually a 3D printing pen. It comes with an holder, so you can place it neatly there. Also this one. Some this is actually your ink, but it's wire. We're using wire. You got different colors here. If it gets jammed, it comes with this one. And here are the other colors here. This wire here is a USB connect, but you can actually plug it directly to another USB here. So here now we're just waiting for it to heat up, and then after heating it up, we're just gonna start feeding it with this. Okay, so this one, I always make ready blue tacks in here just to, like, this one doesn't hold much, so I use blue tack, so it's always in my pack in here. This box in here is just $5 from in Shamshipu, and I just use this to transfer everything from the box, so I got everything in one. Tulog siya. Yeah, Darcy's sleeping right now. So there we go. That's enough introduction, and later on, oh, there we go. So we start feeding it. So when we have this one, put it inside here. There's the hole in there, that's the feeding, and then press this one in here. Ubos na, and then we start feeding. Okay, so now it's feeding. So it's slow right now, but we can make it faster. And usually when it reaches the end, see, there we go. It went out already, see? Yes. Then we could start printing. Okay, set up first, and we'll find a mold, which is this one in here. So now that we got a mold, so I have this one here. So we just want to make a simple one, which is kind of like a globe. So there you go. This one to start feeding it, start printing, and then this one is to inject everything. So that's basically you need to know. And this is the speed. So how fast it's gonna go out, how fast it's gonna feed. This is the fast, and this is the slow one. So usually I would start like on a slow is fine. And so we're gonna start. So if I start like this, okay, so I'm just gonna start from here. Alin?
Yung mga power bank.
Naglagay na ako sa labas, ha?
Meron na?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinasok mo na yung bala?
Ay, hindi. So this is basically what we're doing right now, but I am not gonna complete the whole cycle, because if I do that, I won't be able to take it out of the mold. You can actually use any surface and it usually comes out. So I'm just gonna demo this. Okay, I'm just gonna stop for now, just so you would have idea on what am I doing. Okay, so this is actually what happened. So I'm just gonna turn this on, see what I did there. But here's what we're gonna do is we're going to break it. Just so you know. So okay, here we go. And this is what we got. So see this, if you could actually see, it's still molded the same way, except it's just wiggly because I just want to demonstrate to you how will it come out. So you can make the shape as you want since it's a mold. So I'm just gonna keep on doing it, and then after that we can continue on. Okay, see, okay, so now I'm gonna do a continuous with this one with a hyperlapse mode. So let's see. Okay, so here we go. We have our first. I can make this to a globe or anything, but what I did is just put some chocolate inside. All the chocolates, most of the chocolates that they've given, the lovely people that given us some chocolates. So here, yeah. So yep.
Doon sa
This.
milk nung ano namin.
This.
Kasi may inano kaming milk.
And this. Okay, a bit too much.
Kailangan na mahirap ito. Bag ko to ha, bag ko to. Balik niyo sa akin ang bag
Oh
ko.
my goodness, another box of
Hey, ito in my
rice.
bag.
Sabi nga ni Kay.
Ano na?
So here,
Sabi niya. Sabi niya naman ang Royce. Sabi niya.
Ba't hindi ka magbinigyan?
Ang mahal. Binigyan siya ni Darwin. Okay.
bigyan siya tig kasi. Kumuha siya doon sa mga luma dito, ay yung mga iba. Pero yung Royce hindi siya kumuha. Ba't ka kumuha na Royce ka ako? Eh, ang mahal niyan eh. Ano? Sabi ko, kunin mo ka kung hindi naman nakakain dito.
Ayan, ba't di siya kumuha?
Hindi, binigyan ko siya. Binigyan ko siya ng 3 of each kind.
Okay.
Sabi ko, may darating pa nga yan. Sabi ko, hindi ko wala na pick up.
Ngayon ba lang siya magpapaalam?
Oo. Kung papayagan. Ang sarap ng munggo.
Bakit parang hindi mo inano yung ano,
Ayun.
yung quail?
Ano, Kwel?
Ay! Bakit parang hindi mo inano?
Yung? Binigyan ko ang dami. Eh, ano ko na yung save ko yung broth na yun. Diba?
Ah, bakit parang, wala?
Dinig-
Ano ginagawa nito?
Dinig-
Pwede mo ang gawin niya. Siguro.
Alam mo paano ginagawa niya, ate? Yung parang sa dessert, parang dessert.
Visual.
Yan, ginagawa niya parang, dinidikdik para sa dessert. Dessert na munggo.
Ay, hindi, yung ulo ng shrimp, ang dami nun.
Ah.
Mga mahino tayo.
Bakit ang late na? Tilid pa si Babilab.
Ay, nako.
Ano, kumusta ang pupo?
Yeah, it's okay.
Di ba tumain siya ng matigas?
Ah.
Ganyan kalaki.
O, may kasunod na malambot yan.
O, yun.
Ah,
Yan.
sumunod
Hindi
na yun.
siya nakatulog. Inantay niya yun.
Ah, okay.
Pagkatapos nun, doon na siya, ano.
Basta't na una yung, ano, kasunod na.
Ako nagputol na yung buhok mo.
Ba't mo sinasara para makakain ng tsokolate?
Pwede masirain, te.
What?
It's another way of a DIY packaging. Para ano mo lang siya.
Hindi ka na lang gumawa ng ganyang kagaya nito. Di sana masaya pa. Kung ano ang pinagagagawa mo.
Kagaya pa ako sa inyo. Te, naka-video ako.
Live ba yan? Live?
Hindi naman live.
O, di patuloy mo naman.
Hindi ko napuputulin yun. So, yun. So, yan lang. So, see?
Oh, nagsayang ka, oh.
Ayun yung sample ko eh. Naka-video nga ako. Kulit. So, here. So, you can just seal it back and then blah, blah, blah. Yes. Ayun na. Okay, that concludes my simple video of my 3D printer.
Oh, ano? Ano ba? Snowman.
Yung isa nga dyan parang ano eh. With this one, you can actually make name tags or whatever. You can put names on your rooms. Hindi yan. There's another one without the snowman.
Kasi ano?
Yeah.
Okay talaga. Sarap.
Eating cold bukas, ah.
Kanina nga
Okay,
umaga,
that's it.
sabi ko sa'yo.
Eh, hindi na siya bilog. See? Still
Pag
bilog.
akyat ko naman ng bus, ang init.
Yun lang.